Are you a UI, UX developer looking to take your skills to the next level? Did you know that millions of people worldwide have disabilities that affect their ability to access and use websites? With our new online course, you can become a WCAG compliance wizard and make your websites accessible to all users. Our course covers all the essential topics for achieving WCAG compliance at level AA, and we've made it fun and engaging for you to learn. You'll get hands-on experience with real-world examples, interactive exercises, and plenty of opportunities to test your knowledge. In our course, you'll learn how to add alt tags for images, use semantic HTML for headings, create skip navigation links, use area roles for form elements, ensure proper color contrast ratios, and more. You'll also get practical advice on how to incorporate accessibility into your design process from the beginning. By taking our course, you'll be able to take your UI, UX skills to the next level and make a real impact on the lives of users with disabilities. You'll be able to create beautiful, accessible websites that everyone can enjoy and benefit from. Join the thousands of developers and designers who are changing the web for the better. Enroll in our WCAG compliance course today and become a champion of accessibility.